morning, everybody. Welcome back to another attempt of making content for my channel. That is bringing back from the dead. So, editing the last video I put up last week, I realized I kind of rushed through a lot of the lift install process and kind of what I had. So, at the beginning of today's video, I'm going to go kind of over what I've got and what the plan is for it. So, let's start there real quick. Alright, so let me step back a bit so you guys can see. What I've got here is a Danmar D7 4-post lift. It's only a 7,000 pound lift, which is perfect for the Volvo. The Volvo only weighs about 2,500 pounds. Blazer's a little heavier than that, and there's a couple other things I could put on it that weigh much less. So, I've got some parts here I need to get rid of at some point, but today we're going to be working on the Prelude. Now, speaking of which, a little update since then. I have sold the Prelude, well, I didn't make it, I broke even on it. Got the Blazer back from Porter. Volvo has just kind of been sitting all winter, and because it's been sitting all winter, it's having a hard time starting. So we're going to go through, freshen it up, work on it a little bit there. I'll kind of show off the lift a little bit more, do some general maintenance, and we'll go from there. And now that I mentioned, I almost forgot, we got a couple things we got to take care of. First of all, I got a banner from Rev Auto to hang up, because it's been a while, but everyone should hopefully remember that I am sponsored by Rev Automotive. They sell fantastic cleaners and stuff. You can kind of see where I started and where I didn't quite get to, but it does a great job cleaning it, restoring paint. I really like their stuff. RevAuto.com. If you go there, use code Wendigo, you get 15% off your entire order. And the other thing we're going to do is I have this new product I want to show you guys. It's really cool. I got it from my brother-in-law for Christmas. I think you guys are going to like it. We'll put this on here in a second, right as soon as we hang up that banner. So let's go from there. Okay, there we go. That is one banner hung. Hopefully in the future we'll get a couple more. We'll just run it across this back wall. We'll put a big American flag up somewhere. But that will be the garage coming together eventually. One of these days I need to go through and just clean this all up. But that is not today. I want to show you guys something pretty cool. So got a little sticker here from Auto Bio. Pretty much what this is you know, you go to those car shows and they got the guys with the great big picture book, and you flip through and you can see like all the pictures and the stories of the restoration, how their car went. That is this, but digital. So what it is, you'll just put the sticker on the car, you'll scan the QR code, and it'll pull up an Auto Bio profile for the Volvo, and it'll show you guys pictures and a story, and it's kind of like a quick Q&A for it. It's really cool. I'm going to install it real quick and I will show you guys. Alright, so I don't remember exactly where we left off in the last video, but if we haven't updated it, I got a new fuel pressure regulator. It's got a manual regulation system, a turn flow line, 6 AN steel braided line, much better than what I had on before. I got a trickle charger on it, hopefully bring it back to life from sitting all winter. I think I'll go ahead and jump in and give it a real good start and see where it goes. It wants it. Come on. There we go. So it sounds like you give it any gas, it kind of starts to ping and like backfire pretty badly. So something's up with that. We're gonna have to look into that. Yeah, it smells like it's running rich too. I might have the fuel pressure set up on that wrong. The regulator looks like it's okay. It's holding a little bit of pressure. Yeah, that's a little rich. I wonder if I got bad spark plugs. So, fan circuit. Malfunction indicator light circuit. Okay. Those are what I had before, so nothing new. Alright, well there's no codes. I'm going to pull spark plugs in, see if I can find anything helpful. Alright, see if I can get them to focus. It's not gonna. So let's go like this or something. I don't know. Focus. Right, whatever. You can probably tell they're not horrible, but they are fouled. A lot of black carbon built up on them. It's probably from when I was trying to install that pressure regulator. I had the pressure turned up too high, ran the truck a little rich. Not truck, Volvo a little rich. So I think I'll grab some new spark plug, new plug wires. Should probably be the next step in this. In the meantime though, let's mess around with this lift. Let's go up. Gotta make sure it's clear before I pick it up and destroy anything. There we go. Alright, party. Yeah! I'm gonna have to shut the hood to get to my first set of locks. Well, that was weird. Oh, that's so cool. I have always wanted a lift, and now I freaking got one. Yes! Alright, so apparently I gotta run and go get spark plugs for it, but before I do that, I want to throw a fuel filter in it. Just because I haven't done one in the car yet, and I probably should have a while ago. Alright. You guys are about to see me use my lift for the very first time. Nice. Yeah, she's a little on the crusty side. Probably should have ordered some banjo bolts. I don't even know if this is even the right filter. Oh, no, that's right. Alright, so I need both hands to do the fuel filter, so I didn't film me taking it off. What? I've got the one line off. And I just gotta reach around this backside and get the other bolt off. This is just series 2 banjo bolts and a clamp. As soon as the other banjo bolt comes off, this should just slide right out. New one slides right in. Okay, second bolt broken loose. We'll have the new filter in here in just a split second. Okay, so I just filmed the whole outro and didn't record a single thing. Anyways, the Volvo up on the lift. Fuel filter. I'm gonna order some banjo bolts for it because my gut says don't trust those washers. Gotta get some spark plugs for the engine, make it run a little bit better. And then I had a goal last year to get this car painted and looking good. As you guys can tell, didn't quite get to that. So I'm gonna give it a try this year. Maybe go for something a little bit more kind of in style. Maybe I'll do double down on the sleeper look, and I'll just go through, patch out the rust, and do like different colored panels and stuff. Go get those parts, I'll film another video, and we'll pick up right where we left off. Don't forget, thank you, right there. Thank you Rev Automotive for giving me a sponsorship. Remember, we go to their store for good cleaning supplies. Use code WHENTOGO for 15% off your entire order. And thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.